Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix sales strategies with Airtable, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open Airtable and create a new base. Name your base something relevant, like sales strategies. Add a table for your leads. Label the columns with key information like name, email, status, and follow-up date. Populate the table with your current leads. Next, create another table for your sales strategies. Include columns for strategy name, KPIs, target audience, and notes. Fill in this table with your current strategies. Now, link the leads table to the sales strategies table. This will help you track which leads are associated with each strategy. In the sales strategies table, use the linked record field type for the leads column. Next, set up views that will help in analyzing your data. Create a Kanban view to visualize your leads by status. Use a calendar view for tracking follow-up dates. For the sales strategies table, consider creating a gallery view. This lets you see an overview of each strategy. Now, input key performance indicators to measure success. Add a formula field to calculate conversion rates. If a strategy isn't performing, mark it for review. Utilize Airtable's conditional coloring for quick visual cues. Make sure to regularly update both tables as things change. Set reminders in Airtable for follow-up actions. Review your strategies monthly to identify trends. Continuously refine your approach based on the collected data. Share your Airtable base with your team for collaborative input. Consider using Airtable automation features for email follow-ups. Evaluate the effectiveness of each strategy through data analysis. With these steps, you can effectively manage and optimize your sales strategies using Airtable. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.